how to make an end portal in Minecraft. So first, just open up your inventory. I'm just gonna search here, search items, and then get the end portal frame. So put it in your inventory, and of course the Eye of Ender. Just like so. Once you're here, this is very important. Make sure that you're facing the blocks right here. So when I'm putting it, I'm gonna make sure that I'm here at the middle of the portal that I'm going to make. And once it's done, go to the right side and put another 3 blocks. Then go to the right again, put another 3 blocks, and go right again and put 3 blocks. So as you can see, the dots matches just like this. But that's very important. Make sure that these dots are aligned. So this, as you can see, the patterns. Once it's done, get your Eye of Ender and put it here in the middle. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like so. And as you can see, it will automatically pop up just like that. So just make sure again that these dots are aligned so that the end portal will work. So I'm just going to show you if it's not aligned. Like I said, we did it like that, but if you do it like this, and put the eye again, as you can see, it will not work. So just make sure that these are aligned. And now you could go to the end portal. And that's how I basically make an end portal in Minecraft.